Alright guys, welcome back to the video at the same spot. Alright. So right, let's go. Here we go, part 2. Now I'm gonna see lots of bikers. Okay, it's gonna be fun and steady. Oh yes, I can go to the Viglo gap over up there. Oh wow. Okay, so that's also a spot. There was like a Ducati 998 or 1199. Old school. It's right now 11:51. Yeah, I have to adjust the time over here because it's like 1 hour behind. I haven't adjusted the time after the daylight savings. I feel so happy that I got the review done last video, and then the introductory is also done. I have so many footage now, like I have to edit and watch the Final Destination movie. I love this road. I'm used to this road. It's hard to be disciplined when you know the road. But yeah, like such a beautiful view nonetheless. There was nobody that I knew over there, which is like okay. But yeah. Yes, there is one more thing that I was gonna do for this video. So I am gonna learn how to do the animated map for the bike riders. Sorry, for the way I ride, the route I follow and all that. So that should be fun. There's a thing coming down. There are loads of people who are like going towards the cafe, not just the like a bikers or the cars as well. So when you come down from here, it's gonna be traffic, and you're gonna be annoyed. I'm just gonna enjoy with the normal pace. Wow. that's a new bike. Okay. That's the reason he's careful. Okay, I get it. Okay. Now I know the power and everything, like how much I can pull and like in what second I can go and all that. Just pulls you. It's like, okay, let's go. Sometimes it pulls you by the collar, but yeah. I'm gonna film over there. Everybody. I'm not gonna go there. Maybe the different one. I'm gonna stop at the Dallas Cafe. Yeah. A little bit of fun, little bit of, you know, oomph, and then that's it. Be decent, okay? Yeah. That's it. Wow, that's a road. this road is like boy hard to me. I think after this spin I have to be really careful of the tires, because my plan is to change end of the month. And what today's date? It is around like 16 May, 15 May. It's like mid of the month. And the next time I'm gonna getting my bike out, it will be like another weekend. So let's see. Okay, that guy is coming. It's like really good. I'm like chilling. See? Yeah, let him tag along. Yeah, I have put my jacket open, so like it's I'm like feeling really good and cozy. It's like chef's kiss. The blues are like blues. Clear skies, haze, cloudy. Oh man. It's a really good bike. It's a Yamaha. The guy that was yesterday who picked up his Yamaha MT-09, he was from Sligo, so I don't know if he's gonna those downshift spots. One more. I hope he's coming to like Hollywood's Cafe so we can have a chat around. Let's see how this story unfolds. Jesus. I didn't curse. Let's see.